Hello guys, and welcome to Life, Love, and Gardening. I just want to show you guys how you harvest chamomile. Typically you want to harvest chamomile in the early morning, just as the dew dries, when the sun is coming up and the blooms are fully open, before they start to droop like this one right here. And so all you do is kind of put them through your fingers and pluck it up. And so you want to make sure that you're getting the petals, the flower here, and not necessarily the stem or the roots. Okay. And so what you want to do is hold it with one hand and just kind of pull up with the other hand. And it's okay to get them if they're a little droopy, if the flowers have kind of drooped a little bit down like that, but you typically want to get them when they're nice and in full bloom and just kind of open and erect. And the more you pick these, the better. The more you pick, the more it will bloom. And these tend to bloom all summer long. And you don't have to get them when they're fully in flower, but they have the most medicinal benefits if you get them when the flower petals are facing more up and not drooping as much as this one. Alright guys, and that's how you harvest chamomile. It's also good for teas. You can use them in your skincare products like lotions and soaps and things like that, but I mostly like to use it for tea. So if you're a fan of chamomile, try growing some chamomile yourself, and that way you can have nice fresh chamomile tea. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.